So, hi, today I will explain my Python code for these 6 number patterns, which is this one, and I use functions and nested loops for every part. And let's look at the code line by line. So, we are going to have the part 1, which is this part. So, def part 1, print first part, and that and rows is equal to 5 since it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for I in range 1 rows plus 1, which is 6, and this is the outer loop that creates 5 rows. And for j in range, this 1I plus 1 is a inner loop which is prints from 1 up to current row I. And for the print j, this line, so this prints the number j and a space instead of a new line. And print, which is empty, print moves the cursor to the next line. And for I in range, so this part is the reverse loop, starts at 5, ends at 1, goes down by 1. And for j in range, this line, so this is the inner loop, prints number 1 to I, and print j, prints number on the same line, and print moves to the next line. And this would be the output. This will be the output here. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the reverse one from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 1. And for the next part is this one, which is the left part. So let me delete this one first. So the row loops and print numbers are the same as part 1 as usual. There is a new line, which is this one, this line, for is and range rows -1, since this loop prints spaces, and this print and like that is it prints the 5 minus row number, which is spaces to push numbers to right. I think this is the right one. Yeah, from the right, and this one is from the left. So let me run it here. The same from the part 1, which is the 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just the difference is that the first one is from the left side, while this part is from the right side. And next is the part 3, which is this part. So this top half is identical to part 1, which is in the bottom half we combine the logic. So for I in range, 5 rows plus 1 is equal to 0, and 5, 0, -1, and top to right, and top to left. So for S in range, this one is it prints spaces first to create the indent, and the print and for J in range 1 I plus 1, this will print the numbers 1 to I and print. Then let's see the output here. This would be the output from from left to right. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 5. And from this is from the left. This will be from the right, but from the bottom, the other one is from the left, and from the top. Next, we will be having the part 4, which is this part. The 1, 1 to 1, 1 to 3. So this part adds a third loop to count backward in the same row. So for I in range 1, rows plus 1, 6, and for S in range rows minus 1 is that this part, it prints the leading spaces to center the row and the print line. And for J in range 1, I plus 1, this line it will count up 1 to 3 and print J, print again for K in range I minus 1, 0, minus 1. So this loop 2 will count down to 1 like that, then print K and this creates the 1 2 3 to 1 pattern. Here 1 2 3 to 1 pattern, 1 2 3 like that. So let's have the output if it has the same output here. So here 1 1 2 1 1 2 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 and the rest. And next we will be having the part 5, the next part, which will be this one, a diamond repeating numbers. So for in range 1, maximum number plus 1, which is 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, like that. And if I is less than or equal to mid, so count 2 times 1 minus 1, spaces equals mid minus 1. So the count is how many numbers to print, or else count the spaces equal to 2. So next is we have the print. So this multiplies the space string by the SPC variable for K in range count. So this will print the number. And next is print I, and this will print the row index I instead of J. This one. And let us see the output. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So the last one is the hourglass list iteration. So here we have the def part 6, print 6 part 4 for I in range, maximum volume 0 minus 1, spaces all. So for I in range, this will here for 0 1, it takes the each value in this list one by one, and it will print here. It multiplies spaces based on the value of I. And for K, so for the K in range, 2 times 1 minus 1, so this will print the number I in an odd number sequence. Then print I, and same here, and that would be the end of this Python code of mine. Let us see the output first if it is correct. So 5 4 3 2 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, that would be all. Thank you.